Hi, I'm Annie, and I'm starting a floor cleaning business. I know that there are many cleaning businesses in my area. My business will provide services to homeowners that have tile, wood, laminate, or vinyl flooring. Floors will be mopped by hand to ensure that a high quality, deep cleaning service is received with each cleaning. This service will be provided because floors get dirty from shoes, spills, or messes. Floors need to be cleaned regularly to keep them looking nice. I will provide all the cleaning supplies. I will be performing the work myself. The services will cost $10 per hour. Most floors will take about a half an hour to an hour to clean. In addition, customers may want to have other services performed. Other services will be offered at an additional cost of $10 per hour. Many customers will tell their friends and neighbors about the service they have received. This will mean an increase in business. Here is my card. I would like to receive one of yours so we can discuss this further.